abstract class. So in Java, there are two types of classes. Okay, in Java there are two types of classes. One is abstract class and another one is concrete class. Okay, one is abstract class and another one is concrete class. Abstract class means a class without object. A class without object. That means we cannot create object from abstract class. Okay, we cannot create object from abstract class. Abstract class means a class with no object. A concrete class means a class with object. Okay, concrete class means a class with object. Abstract class means a class without object. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. Okay, abstract class it cannot be instantiated. What is instantiation? So instantiation means the process of creating objects. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. That means we cannot create object from the abstract class. Okay, then you can ask, what is the purpose of abstract class? This class has no object, then what is the purpose of abstract class? This class will act as a superclass. Okay, this class will act as a superclass. Okay, so I will show one example, then only you can understand. Okay, abstract class, concrete class, then abstract method. Abstract method. So actually, abstract method means a method without function body. Okay, a method without function body. That is abstract void. Okay, so this is abstract method. Abstract void display semicolon. So this method has no function body. So this is abstract method. Okay, suppose I define one method void disp. Okay, this is concrete method. So a method with implementation. Here the method without implementation. That is abstract method. Okay, a class with abstract method is abstract class. A class with abstract method. Okay, one class contain 10 methods. 9 methods are concrete. Only one method is abstract. Then the class is automatically abstract. We cannot create object from that class. Okay, that class will be acted as a superclass. Okay, okay. Okay, I will show an example.
So,
yes.
So what happens when I try to make the constructor as private and when I try to use super off in the child class?
Suppose, okay, private publication of string title comma price. Okay. A publication constructor has private access in publication. Okay, then we cannot use super keyword for invoking the superclass constructor. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Actually, private member can only be accessed from within the class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I will show an example of abstract class. So class is abstract class. Abstract class shape. Okay, abstract class is shape. So this class contain one abstract method, that is abstract void display. Okay, abstract class shape, abstract void display. So abstract method means a method without implementation. The method has no function body. Okay. Then class circle extends shape. Then void display. Void display. System dot out dot println. This is circle. Like that, I create another one subclass. Okay, class rectangle. Okay, class rectangle extends shape. So void display. So class abstract demo public static void main. Okay, public static void main string array. So shape S1 equal to new circle. Then shape S2 equal to new rectangle. Okay, shape S1 equal to new circle, shape S2 equal to new rectangle. S1 dot display. S2 dot display. Okay, so here the shape is an abstract class, so it has two concrete subclasses. One is circle and another one is rectangle. So these two concrete subclasses implement the display method. Okay, implement display method. So here in the main function, I created two objects. One is circle object and another one is rectangle object. That is shape S1 equal to new circle, shape S2 equal to new rectangle, S1 dot display, S2 dot display. So a demo.java. Java C. Then Java A. So the output of this program is circle rectangle. Okay, here see S1 dot display, S2 dot display. Okay. What is S1 and what is S2? Tell me. Okay, what is S1? What is S2? S1 and S2
Object.
are S1, S2 are S1, S2 is not an object. S1 and S2
Reference
are super class. Yes, very good. S1, S2 are the super class reference variable. Okay, S1, S2 are superclass reference variable, but S1 contains circle object, S2 contains rectangle object. Okay, so S1 dot display, S2 dot display. So here a superclass reference variable dot display. Here superclass reference variable dot display. But first superclass reference dot display invoke a circle display function. Second superclass reference dot display function invoke rectangle display function. Because the first superclass reference variable contains circle object. Second superclass reference variable contains rectangle object. But here the syntax is same. S1 dot display, S2 dot display. S1 is a superclass reference variable, S2 is also superclass reference variable. But they behave differently. S1 dot display invoke circle display method, S2 dot display invoke rectangle display method. This is polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism means one thing in more than one form. Okay, this is polymorphism. Okay. Okay, suppose this class contains one more abstract method. Void. Okay, one more abstract method inputs. Okay, abstract void inputs. So I say compile this from Java C demo.java. Here circle is not abstract and does not override the abstract method input in shape. The error. The class circle extend shape, that is line number 6. Class circle extend shape. So the error is circle is not abstract and does not override the abstract method inputs. Okay. So if one class extends one abstract class, okay, if one class extends one abstract class, then that class must implement all of the abstract method of the superclass, super abstract class. Okay, it must implement. Okay, so here the abstract class shape, super abstract class shape contain two abstract methods, display and input. The concrete class circle, it extends shape, but the circle implement only one method. So the method input is not implemented. So this is error. Okay. So the circle here, the circle. So implement this method. There is void input. Void input. So I say. So the output is class rectangle. Rectangle is not abstract, does not override the abstract method. So here I put abstract. Okay. Why it is abstract? Here the method input is not implemented. So input, the abstract void input is the abstract method of rectangle class also, because the rectangle is a subclass of shape. So it inherits the void input, abstract method void input from its superclass shape. So here abstract class rectangle extend shape. So we will now the error is removed. Okay, now the error is removed. What error? Rectangle is not abstract. Here another one error is displayed. That is rectangle is abstract, it cannot be instantiated. So here shape S2 equal to new rectangle. So we cannot create object from the abstract class. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. That means we cannot create object from the abstract class. So this statement is an error. Okay, the statement is an error. So here also. Okay, it displays circle circle. Okay. So if one class extend one abstract class, then that class must implement all of the abstract method of its super abstract class. Otherwise, this class is also abstract class. Okay. So suppose this class contain one concrete method. Abstract class may contain concrete method. Okay. So void height. So this is concrete method. Concrete method means a method without with implementation. Okay. Void height. Okay. So this method. So S1 dot height. S1 dot height. So abstract class can contain both abstract method and concrete method. Okay, abstract class can contain. Okay, so abstract class can contain both concrete method and abstract method. Suppose one abstract class has 10 methods. 9 methods are concrete. Only one method is abstract. Then the class is automatically okay. So suppose this class, abstract class, not contain any abstract method. Okay, there is abstract class shape. It not contain any abstract method. Okay. So cannot find simple. Yes, so not sorry. Here. Okay, here circle. Here also circle. Okay. So abstract class may or may not contain abstract method also. Okay. So abstract class means a class without objects. So we cannot create object from abstract class. So it is only acting as a super class. Okay. So that is abstract class. Abstract method means a method without implementation. Okay, the method without implementation. Suppose void height. Java C8 about Java. Here void height. So missing method body or declare abstract. Okay, missing method body or declare abstract. So either we include the method body or we add the abstract modifier, abstract method modifier. Okay. So abstract is a method modifier, abstract is a class modifier. So abstract class means a class without object. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. Okay. Abstract method means a method without implementation. Okay. Method without implementation. It's only contain declaration.